guys, welcome back to my channel. There's an old adage, time is money. But when it came to grocery shopping, this always took the exception. After all, how could we miss the chance of socializing and seeing new products on shelf? We never bothered to stroll for hours and come out with weekly or daily supplies sometimes. But this pandemic, after all, changed my perception and habit about this. Now I buy home supplies every week online thanks to Big Basket and many such apps that are available, which makes shopping easy, convenient and rewarding. I usually order groceries for a week. This is what I recently started doing, and I have two strong reasons to follow it. Firstly, fruits and vegetables remain fresh, and I personally don't like to fill my fridge with too many items, which ultimately either ends up unused or I'll have to discard it. By ordering online, I'm able to order stuff to the actual amount I know we will be consuming, since we are only two as of now. And I do plan what I eat for a week, so I know what I'm going to cook for the rest of the week, which makes things very, very easy. So since Kiran started to go to office now, we usually have heavy breakfast, and for lunch I try to cook something easy, quick and filling. Today I made myself dragon fruit smoothie ball. Lunch break is my me time. I like to watch a show, or these days I see a lot of videos on gardening. So I take a good long break before I start to do any other work. So now it's time to sort my groceries. I bought quinoa this time, which is a seasonal fruit, very good in calcium. This will last me for a week. And I make sure we drink a glass of juice every morning before workout. I wash, wipe it clean before I keep it back at its place. So anytime I have to snack, I can just peel it and have it without any worry if it is clean or not. I got this tin jar, or you could call it a canister, to store onions and garlic from the store called elementary.com. Few of their products are available on Myntra as well. Now, before this, I used to use those open basket to store my onions and garlic, but that wouldn't look that good, and again my counter would look always messy. But I am very, very satisfied buying this product because they are so good. It has holes on the bottom so that air passes through and they don't rot. And what I started doing now is that I peel those extra skin which is falling apart, so that the bottom of my tin is not messy and it is clean all the time. Coming to veggies, I wash those which I can before storing in my fridge, and I use this plastic boxes to separate my veggies so that my fridge looks clean all the time and I can easily see what I have. But when it comes to leafy veggies, I don't wash them before storing because it easily gets spoiled. So what I try to do is I either cook it the very day when I receive my order, or at max I try to cook it the next day. This lentils and pulses last for about 15 days, and I store them in this glass airtight jar, and every time I fill them I either wipe it using a tissue or wash it before filling so that they remain clean and fresh. And this glass jar is from Borosil. It is very lightweight and airtight. And one thing I have switched to since 2 years now is that I try to use more of glass or steel product rather than plastic. I make sure I order spinach and methi every week, and now I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite product, which is the salad spinner or drainer from IKEA, which is so useful. It makes my work easy. Now if you're someone like me who likes to have salads or leafy veggies, then this is going to help you. It will save your time. What you'll have to do is you just have to wash your veggies and then or transfer it to this and spin it. It is just going to take out all the excess water, and then it is ready to cook. So I'm going to spin it and keep it aside so that I can make spinach for dinner tonight. Curry leaves is one thing which I can't live without. Being a South Indian, I use it for almost all my curries. To store it for a longer time, what I do is I wash it nicely, and using a drainer I try to remove excess water, and then I sun dry it, and once it's all dry I store it in an airtight glass jar. I place a tissue underneath this, and then I add all the dry curry leaves, and this is good for a month. It stays all fresh. We use sunflower oil, but for most of my cooking I use ghee. So this oil is going to last for more than 2 months, which I know many will be shocked to hear. My choices of food are very weird. I don't like spicy, I don't like oily, nor do I like tangy. The only food that makes me happy is sweet. But since I get acne the very next day, I have sweet, so I have strictly limited having sweets to only weekends. Sorting groceries take more than 2 hours, but since I'm shooting today, it took me 4 hours. But then when it's all done, my house looks clean and organized, and that makes me very happy to cook. Now I don't have to worry about sorting or cleaning for next 6 days. This kitchen towel needs to be washed every alternative day since I use it to wipe off excess water of my washed utensils or fruits or veggies, so there are some stains. So what I do is I soak it in hot water and then add a little bit of detergent and keep it soaked for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I brush it and squeeze it and then wash it in my washing machine. I really like my wash clothes or kitchen clothes to be white, and this one I got from IKEA about 3 months back and it still looks almost like new. Hot cup of coffee is all I need after this. Since I started grocery shopping online, I feel that has made my life easier and systematic. Now I'm able to shop as per my timetable. No need to check store hours. I can place order while I'm catching up on my latest Netflix originals or when I'm on my bed. And what I observed is that there is zero wastage. I used to buy or pick a lot of things while physical shopping, which was never needed. But now, since I plan my food ahead, I don't waste anything nor do I pile up a lot of things in my fridge. There could be an argument that via online shopping we are not able to pick the best produce ourselves. But looking at a larger benefit, this drawback is out of scope to fit in the disappointment list. I'm traveling less, avoiding myself being at a crowded store, saving fuel in traveling, and I have a lot of extra time with my family and I have fun. Now, what are your thoughts on online grocery shopping? Do let me know, guys. Let's see if you guys agree on this or if you have another point of view. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you have a feedback, please leave a comment. And if you think this video was good enough, please share this video. That would mean a lot to me. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, take care. Bye.